What is up, guys? Today we will talk about how you guys can install Zenless Zone 0. Well, the process for that is pretty simple. For that, you just have to come to Google, search for Zenless Zone 0 download. You just have to search for that, and these websites will pop up. Here you just have to go to the first link, which should be this website, which should be Zenless Zone 0 official website. And here you just have to scroll down and click on this download. Now, once you click on this download, you easily be able to install it. However, you can download this game from any platform as well. Now, there are other game launchers or platforms like Steam, Game Launcher. You just have to launch that specific game launcher which you want to download. The Zenless Zone, or you just have to search for the game and you easily so as you guys can see, it's pretty easy to install. Once this game comes installed, you will be able to go to the store, search for the game, and you will be able to download because this game is available in like Epic Games, it is available on PlayStation, Android, so you can download it anywhere. So as you guys can see on the screen, I'm going to search and I'm going to search for Zenless Zone 0. You'll be able to find that Zenless Zone 0 is here and you'll easily be able to install it. So that's pretty much it. That's all the video today. Hope you guys find this video helpful.